Welcome to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources. How to join Google Classroom. The course content will be shared through Google Classroom. The participants will submit their assignments and answer quiz using Google Classroom. In this video, you will learn how to join the course in Google Classroom, how to view the contents posted, then how to upload the assignments and answer quiz. Let us see how to join the Google Classroom. To join, check your Gmail for class invitation. Normally, whenever a course is started and if they want the students to join, they will send the invitation through a Gmail. You will get a Gmail like this: Director Z@, Mumbai, class invitation, designing digital resources. Open the mail to check the invitation. If you open it, it will tell, hello, Director Z@, Mumbai invited you to the class designing digital resources. Now click join to join the course. Once again it will ask you to confirm. Therefore once again click join to confirm. Now you have joined the course. The name of the course is coming on the top, designing digital resources, and the contents are shown to you now. When you open any class or any course, on the top you will have stream, classwork and people, and the latest content uploaded will appear at the top. At present, the new assignment online quiz is on the top. You have to scroll down and in the beginning read the course content given in the form of videos. For the first chapter, it is given managing files and folders. Online course quiz 1 and assignment 1 and managing files and folders are there. In the beginning, read the course content before attempting the assignment and online quiz. Click the videos to view the content. It is planned to send 3 videos per day. See all the videos in order and learn the content. After that, come back to assignment. Complete the assignments given under each chapter and keep it ready for uploading. To upload the assignment, click on assignments to upload your assignments. How to upload? This page will open, and on the right side you are seeing one plus sign with add or create. Click add or create to select your assignments to be uploaded. You have already prepared the assignments and you are keeping it ready to be uploaded. In your computer, you should know the path in which it is kept. Now you can upload it from Google Drive or link or file, anywhere you can do. But when you click that file, it will ask you from where you have to do it from your computer. Therefore, click select files from your device to upload assignments from your computer. You can upload it from your drive also, but the file is to be selected. Select the file and then click it so that it will now uploaded now. The attached file will be shown under your work. Like this, you can add any number of files based on the number of assessments given. Now you click turn in to submit the file. Remember, you have to click this turn in to submit your assignment. Now the assignment is submitted. Follow the same to submit all other assignments also. Click on online quiz to answer the quiz. The online quiz number 1 is shown over here. Click it to answer the quiz. Immediately it will take you to an online quiz designed using Google form. Answer the quiz by clicking the answer. Click submit to submit the quiz. Suppose if you have not received the invitation mail, then also you can join the course. Open your Gmail, open Classroom app and join by entering the class code. This class code will be shared with you by your teacher. We will send the code also, code of the classroom, by WhatsApp and email. Open the classroom app. Click that plus sign and then click join class to join the course. At the bottom, the create class is for teachers who are going to create courses. But as a participant, you have to click the join class. Immediately, it will ask you the class code. Enter the class code and click join. Now you have joined the course. In the course, remember, please see the content first, then complete the assignments and submit them, and do the quiz also. Remember, for all of them, due date is there. It is showing in the left side, upcoming, due Thursday, like that. The date will be there. You have May 28th, for example. You have to finish it before that. Otherwise, it will not be accepted. Happy learning.